What's up guys, it's your boy Andre. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Well, in the last video we got you guys off to a running start. But in this video, you're gonna want to stick around to see what this is for. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel where we teach the language of Jamaica and try our best to preserve the Jamaican culture. What you will notice in these videos is that each one is a continuation of the last one, so you can always go back if something's not clear and rewatch until it becomes clear. So in the last video we looked at the word me and when it means I, me, and my. So in this video, as promised, we're going to look at the word fi and how it replaces for, to, and should.
Fi.
Alright, so in the last video we briefly looked at the way we say mine, and that is putting the words for and me together, which in Jamaican Patois would be fimi. So if someone asked you who something belonged to and it was yours, you would simply say in English it's for me. In Patois we say fimi.
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 Alright, so we're going to look at when fi normally means to. And that is usually when it comes before a verb. So for example, fi know,
Fi know.
fi tell,
Fi tell.
fi ask
Fi ask.
would be to know, to tell, and to ask. So here's an example. Based on what you learned in the last video, if you wanted to say, I want to know, it would be me want fi know.
Me want fi know.
So the next way we use fi is when it means for. And that's usually when it shows up before a noun or a pronoun. But at the end of a sentence, it might be pronounced fa.
Fa.
So for example, if I were to say, I have something for him, in Patois it would be, me have something for him.
Fi him.
Or if I were to say, I wonder who that is for, in Jamaican Patois it would be, me wonder who that is for. So the last way we use fi is when it means should. And that happens usually when it shows up between a noun or a pronoun and a verb. So for example, if I wanted to say, you should know how to do it, in Jamaican Patois it would be, you fi know how fi do it. Okay, before we wrap up, let's do one last exercise to see if you can follow from what you learned from the last video until now. This place is fimi. Me have a surprise for you. Me want to give you a tour. Me fi have the keys around here somewhere. Alright, so here are the answers to the exercise we just did. If you got them all, congratulations. If you're missing a few, try to go back and rewatch until it becomes clearer. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me. We've come to the end of another video. If it's too slow for you, I do have some additional resources down in the description. You can check that if you want to move a little bit faster. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. So I'll see you in the next video, and until next time, take it easy.